my baby, retiring her. Served me very good throughout the years. FX8350 Black Edition AMD with 32 gigs of DDR3 memory. MSI 1080, that's coming with me. That's going to the new system. As well as the capture card, the Elgato. The Elgato capture card, I'll be using that for all my console games, record all the PlayStation and Xbox. And then my baby sound card. I love the sound card so much. It's done so much for me. I love the sound card, I don't care what people say. 750C Sonic. We're gonna go with an 860 for Threadripper because I don't think this will be enough. Of course, the Blu-ray drive will come with me. My SSDs back there. Some Samsungs. A Mushkin. And my 2 hard drives. It's a very nice case, it really is. Look at that beauty. Woo! She's a good one. Put a lot of stuff on her. A lot of stickers. All the stuff that's inside and whatnot. Sonic, G.Skill, AMD FX, MSI. All the greats. And then there's the Pioneer Blu-ray drive. Razer, Team Scuff, Steel Series, Elgato. Fazeberry. G.Fuel, man. G.Fuel is the best and I need to get some more. I haven't had G.Fuel in a while. But yeah. Scuff Gaming, a little Star Wars, a little BB-8. This is my Corsair 750D. Last time I'll be using it. Time to take her apart. So here we have my new case. It is a Phanteks Enthoo Lux full tower. A little hard to see, but it's a half window. And there's a smaller window down here. Real quickly is the Phanteks RGB LED strip that we got because I couldn't decide originally which case we were going with, and we figure this works well because it's integrated. There's cables already in the Phanteks Enthoo Lux case that you can directly plug this into. It's also powering, you know, a little 6-fan controller, but it's 3-pin. The one we bought for the Corsair case is 4-pin, so this will be, you know, just still some nice lighting for the inside of the case to match the outsiding. So. Okay, so after many hours I spent taking computer parts out of my old case and putting them in my excuse my phone, what was going to be this was going to be my new case, but the case was too problematic because of cleaning, and it's not a full window, and I'm doing water cooling, like full water cooling, so I want to have a full window. So, you know, the Corsair case comes out really well with all the stuff we're going to put in it, but this I'm very proud of because this is my old PC, my old motherboard, my FX8350, in the Crosshair 4 or 5, Crosshair 5. With an FX8350 and 32 gigs of DDR3. It's got an AIO by Corsair. The only thing it needs, and it's got a 750 power supply, the only thing it needs is hard drives, and it can literally, and a graphics card, but I mean, this is what I'm very proud of. God, look at that, it's so beautiful. I really kind of wanted to use this case after seeing it, but I think the Corsair is going to be nicer once all the fans and lights are in it. It's really nice, I think. The accents on the motherboard are red. Really matches the red lighting. And yeah, it cycles colors, so I'm going to go through the colors real quick before I turn it off. I just wanted to get a picture, video of this, because this is beautiful. I'm going to use this someday, definitely. Second PC, stream PC, are you kidding me? If I had the room and the power, the room could handle it. Alright, so here go the colors. Woo! Look at that green, man. It doesn't look very green on the camera, but it is in real life. It's blue. Looks more purple on the camera, but it is deep blue. That is a purple. Really nice purple. Like a yellow. Yellow. That's another violet. That's more of a purple. I think the other one might have been pink actually. This one looks more purple now. I don't know, they're both very purpley. One's violet probably. That's white. I like the white. Clean. You can really see inside. Look at that. Wow. That looks great on the camera. It's like a fish tank. That is seafoam green, like a teal almost, turquoise. Light blue, sky blue. I like that. That looks really nice. And that's definitely like a pink, definitely. And back to red. So we're gonna take a picture, turn it off. Yeah, just wanted to get that because that's beautiful. Really am proud of that.